Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are playing at Quickshot Airsoft. Today's game mode is the defend the tower, where we have to stop the enemy from taking the bomb to our tower. This is going to be uncut gameplay, which is very action-packed. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you.
The Mark 18 HPA. Your mag. I'm getting this side. Everybody watch the side. Everybody watch the side. How many? Somebody left. Tower or blue house. Got Finn by tower, got Finn by tower. Yeah, I got left, I got left. Blue tower, rentals medic, rentals medic. Two tower. Blue tower. I got him. Tower's out. There's two tan. One's pushing. Got him, got bomb.
that's all for today's video. If y'all want to see more content related to airsoft, let me know in the comments below and give me a subscribe. Thank y'all again, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Take care.